Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Adobe Media Encoder to After Effects render queues, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Adobe Media Encoder to After Effects render queues, start by launching both applications. Open your After Effects project. Go to the composition menu located at the top of your screen. Select the Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue option from the drop-down menu. After Effects will automatically open the Media Encoder application. In Media Encoder, you'll see your composition listed in the queue panel. Check the format and preset settings for your render in Media Encoder. You can adjust these settings by clicking on the output file format next to your composition name. Choose your desired export settings based on your requirements. Set the output destination by clicking on the blue file name to the right of the format. Select a folder where you would like to save your rendered file. Once everything looks good, click the green play button at the top right of Media Encoder. This will start the rendering process. Monitor the progress in the Media Encoder interface. You can pause or stop the render if necessary. Once the rendering is complete, navigate to the folder you selected to find your file. This method allows for efficient use of resources during rendering. Remember, you can add multiple compositions to the Media Encoder queue at once. Using Media Encoder can significantly speed up your workflow. Now you are ready to efficiently render your projects with Adobe Media Encoder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.